The best and worst kind of shoes to wear with every kind of jeans. I'm gonna go over with you 6 different pairs of jeans. Straight leg, wide leg, flare, barrel, and skinny. Wide leg jeans at the end of the video. This is the hardest part for most women. So make sure you watch till the end. I'm 5'2", I've tagged everything I'm wearing today here on YouTube Shopping and link down below in description. Or scan the QR code to shop my blog post. Let's begin. I'm gonna start with this pair from Quinn's 26-inch inseam. Narrow straight leg. This is the everyday kind of jeans. So the first pair I'm gonna try sneakers. This is how it looks. Does not look bad, but it could be a lot better. The main reason here is because this pair, even though they are 26-inch inseam, my legs are extra short. These are underneath my ankle. When I pair it with these kind of sneakers, which go up quite high, a lot of bunching up of the fabrics make me look frumpy and make my legs look cut off. Let's try Samba. Oh yeah. This is definitely better. You can see Samba doesn't bunch up as much because these don't come up as high. If you're a sneakers kind of girl, this is probably as good as it gets, but let me show you something that works even better. The new Mary jeans, these are from H&M Premium Collection. I love how it's wider in the front, so it's not squeezing your toes, but these are very comfortable to walk in. And plus, it gives you that 2026 vibe. They do run large, so you need to size down one size. That's what I notice in general about their shoes. I always have to go with one size down. Now, the reason these work so much better is because it shows the top of your feet, so it shows skin. Whenever we're showing skin, it always creates space and elongate our legs. Now, obviously, you are not gonna do that when it's freezing cold. So in winter, what you can do is booties. This is the newest addition to my booty collection from Gentle Soles, round toes. So best for those of you, I know a lot of you have mentioned you do not like pointed toe anything. So these are very, very easy to walk in. Top it off with the jacket I bought from J. Crew Factory. It's a petite size, fits really well. So this is my winter everyday look. Shoes are not the only thing that matters. What's just as important? Accessories. Let me thank Pair Eyewear for sponsoring to this video. I have to be honest with you, before I discovered Pair, I would only wear eyeglasses when I have to, like when I'm driving or reading, because I kind of feel like it makes me look nerdy. But with Pair, these are magnet toppers. All of a sudden, my eyeglasses turn into my most stylish accessory, and Pair make it so affordable and easy to switch. All you need is a pair of topper, and the process is super easy. Pick out my base frame. Mine is an easy base frame. I went with the progressive lenses because I want to be able to see far and close, and then I use a virtual try-on to pick out my top frames. That's it. Here's some of my favorites. Burgundy. If you wear burgundy clothes like me, pearl white, these are perfect for spring outfits. Make sure you get sun tops so you don't have to carry a different pair of sunglasses with you. I love the tortoise frame, and these are polarized. Scan the QR code or use the link in my description box. Check out Pair website today and use my code. You can get a gift with your purchase. Next, we're gonna do this pair flare jeans I bought from J. Crew. They make petite size and regular size, but I went with the regular size. Why? Because it's 2 inches longer. If you're shorter like me, when you wear flare, you don't want it to be too short because the bottom is wider. These are 27.5 inches. When I'm barefoot, it's a little bit touching the ground. Top, by the way, I bought from Madewell. I love how cute this top is. I'm gonna first try sneakers. Clearly it doesn't work with these kind of jeans because jeans are longer, and so now you see too many fabrics bunching up on top of my feet. And also these are black, so they give you a very harsh line, make me look bottom heavy and make my legs look cut off. So this is a no-go for me. What's the best kind of shoes for the flare? These babies, these kind of shoes work the best with flare jeans or bootcut jeans, by the way, which is very, very similar, is because these are so slender. That's the main point. When you wear flare jeans, the bottom carries so much volume. You need your shoes to be slender. That's the best way to balance it out, the silhouette. So now you can see this is a much better look. Previously, we talked about how sneakers can be tricky, but there is one kind of jeans that you can pair with pretty much every kind of sneakers, and that's these jeans. Straight ankle jeans. You don't have to get this specific pair. This one I got from J. Crew Factory a while back. I'll link something similar for you. But the main point is you want it to be Ankle inseam. You need to show your ankles. That's a key to look good in any kind of sneakers. My ankle inseam is 25 inches. It could be longer or shorter for you. I'm first gonna pair with these Dolce Vita sneakers. Bottom of these sneakers are medium. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin either. Give you the right amount of arch support. I love the neutral colors. That's another thing. You want your shoes to be ideally nude, and these are a combination of beige and black. They always make your legs look elongated. You can also do flats. I'm gonna go with my Amazon Essentials flats. These are round toe, very easy to walk in. These are also very flattering because they are nude. So they blend with the color of your skin and make it look like they're an extension of your legs. Now, the kind of shoes I would not wear with this kind of jeans are something like this. Pointed toe shoes, and these are a little bit of heels. And it's not about this particular pair, there's nothing wrong with this pair of shoes. I bought it from Mango last year. I absolutely love this pair, but I wouldn't wear in this combination because my jeans already is pretty short, so it's already showing my ankle, but if I pair them with like pointed toe shoes, especially because this pair is a little longer, very slender in the toe, so it can make you look like you're out of balance because it looks like your bottom looks really small and tiny. Next, we're gonna talk about barrel jeans. I know, a lot of you mentioned in the comments, Wachi, I would never wear barrel jeans. But some of you have mentioned, Wachi, how do I make it work? So I decided to show those of you who want to know, you can make it work. This year especially, you're gonna see a ton of barrel shape, and it's not just in jeans, but also in pants as well. It has spread it over, so it is probably the most trending kind of shape for pants and jeans this year. Now, this is the kind of shoes I would not wear with barrel because these sneakers are bulky, and especially they're black, so definitely it's making my legs look cut off. The kind of shoes I want to wear, if you want flats, you can go with Mary Jane. This pair I showed you earlier. This pair is from H&M. This works because it's nude color. Even though these are not pointed toe, these are rounded toe, but this combination give you the major 2026 vibe. By the way, it doesn't have to be Mary Jane. You could go with your regular flats. It could be rounded toe and could be pointed toe. But the key is you want to keep it minimum because barrel does have wider legs, expands you at your bottom. You want your shoes to look really sleek. And you also want to make sure you choose the right length. That's so important, especially for those of us with shorter legs to begin with. This pair is from Old Navy. It's a petite size. So these are 24.5-inch inseam. These are above my ankles. That is so critical. This works, but my favorite are these shoes. Yes. Pointed toe slingbacks. These are my go-to for barrel jeans because they are sleek looking, they're nude, pointed toe, and these are very easy to walk in 2-inch heels. Another thing is you need to make sure your top also fits tighter to your body. This one is from Amazon in order to balance out all that volume in this kind of jeans. Next, let's talk about skinny jeans. The best kind of shoes to go with skinny jeans, these. Ta-da! Yes, tall boots. If you live in a colder place like me, I'm in northern New Jersey, this combination is necessity for colder weather. I love this pair. These are new. I got them from J. Crew Factory, 25-inch inseam. The thickness is just enough to keep me warm, but also thin enough to go under any tall boots. And these boots, I got them from Loft. Price is very reasonable. Plus, this is 14-inch shaft height, which is really hard to find to fit my short legs. But of course, for winter, you're gonna need some outerwear. And now you have a combination that's gonna keep you warm while at the same time make you look very stylish. Now, the kind of shoes I would not wear with skinny jeans, these. Again, pointed toe heels. Because skinny jeans is already fit so close to your body, your bottom half. And this is already make your bottom look really tiny. So if you wear this kind of shoes, it's gonna make you look completely out of balance. I'm so glad you're staying for this part of the video. We're gonna talk about wide leg jeans, the kind of jeans everybody has questions about. The pair I'm wearing is from Kunz 28-inch inseam. I'm kind of surprised by how flattering this is because these are only $50. And the top is also from Kunz. I am doing a monochromatic look. That also helps when you are wearing wide leg jeans. So I'm first going to show you what kind of jeans does not work. Something like this. Now this is tricky. They just don't go with wide leg jeans or barrel or anything like that because you know they do carry more volume in the shoes, and then your wide leg already got a ton of volume in them as well. So this just never will go well together. The kind of shoes that works the best with wide leg jeans: pointed toe nude booties. I mean, this is for when it's colder. Now this always works best with wide leg shape. We talked about how it works perfectly with flare leg, bootcut, and the same concept with wide leg jeans because your bottom is wide. So you need these sleek looking kind of shoes to balance it out. And these makes your bottom look more sleek. And even though your jeans are expanding at the bottom, this is what keeps the whole silhouette in balance. The slim bags I showed you earlier from Sam Edelman, these also work wonders with wide leg jeans because these are also pointed toe, they're nude, and they're very slender looking. Another main thing about these kind of shoes is they actually show the top of your feet. Showing your skin is always a great way to balance out your silhouette, especially when you wear some really voluminous bottom like this. Now those are the best and worst kind of shoes to wear with wide leg jeans. There are in between something I think it could work for some of us but may not work for everybody are flats, especially round toe flats. I mean, I can show it for you. These are the Amazon Basics flats. The thing is, with me it will not work very well because the jeans are already pretty long. So these are already going to be touching the floor. If I were to wear flat shoes, it just will not go very well, even though it doesn't look too bad. So for those of you, if you have long legs, some of you, if you are wearing 28-inch wide leg, even though you're petite, short enough for you to wear with flat shoes, then these can work for you. But you do need to make sure you're wearing nude color shoes, or you can also go with sleek looking sneakers. That's the same concept. Wow, congratulations. I am so glad you finished the entire video. I'm 5'2". On my channel, I do a ton of try-on hauls because I know how hard it is to find just about anything if you're petite like me. I also do a lot of educational videos, how to dress for your height, how to dress to flatter your specific body shape. If you haven't yet, sign up for my newsletter below so that you can get styling tips free to your inbox every week. And I'm gonna see you in the next video.